Video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account. So you're going to go to royalcaribbean.com, and then in the top right corner, you're going to click on sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can click here on create an account. And then once you get signed in, you are going to click up here where it says manage my cruise, or right here where it says sign into my Royal Cruise. And that will take you to the portal where you will see your cruise right here. And then you'll click on plan my cruise. And after you click on plan my cruise, you can see all of the different options available to you that you can go ahead and book. So if you want a beverage package, you can click there and you'll see that there are different beverage package options that you can purchase. So just go in and take a look, and if you see something you want to purchase, I would say go ahead and purchase it now. And you can check it periodically to see if the price decreases, and if it does, you can remove what you have and rebook it for the lower price. Alrighty, have a good day.